Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of 1-2 Step. In this video, we're going to look at a Messenger video call camera settings. So if you're having any issues with your camera, whether you're not being able to open up your video call on Messenger or your video during a video call on Messenger, or you're having a blurred camera during a video call on Messenger, in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can fix this issue. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Now, if you're having these kind of issues, the first thing that you can do is update your app of Messenger. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store and then search for Messenger and then update your Messenger app. If there are any new updates, you can just tap on update and update the app. The second thing that you can do is if you're on an Android, you can just tap and hold the screen and this eye icon will appear. Just tap on this eye icon. If you're using an iPhone, you'll need to open up the settings of your phone and then offload your Messenger app from your iPhone storage. But for the people who are using Android, you can just tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Now before you do this, make sure that you remember your credentials of your Messenger, which is your email address and your password, because after this, you're going to be logged out of your Messenger app. Clearing data is a great way of removing any kinds of glitches which may be causing the issue. And lastly, after you clear the data, you can again come back to this section, tap on app permissions, tap on the camera option. If this is even set to allow, deny it, and again head back, tap on camera and tap on allow. This sort of resets your camera that is being used on your Messenger video call. Now once you do these couple of steps, your problem should be fixed. But however, if it is still not fixed, the last thing that you can do is completely remove Messenger from your device. So just go ahead and uninstall the Messenger app, and once it has been uninstalled, again download the application from your respective app stores and then log into your Messenger app again. This is one of the best ways of clearing out glitches if that is something that you're dealing with. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.